One, and because I can't make any PTFS videos because of my crappy internet, we'll be doing part 2 of landing every single Boeing plane here at St. Martin. Starting with the 747-8 freighter. Gear down. Now this is the most accurate one because 747 is known for landing here in St. Bartholomew. Oof. How did we just land on the water? That is definitely inaccurate for landing gear. And we landed. Now let's take off to the Boeing factory to change it to the next plane. A couple minutes later, here we are in the 747-8I Air China edition. Bing jing ngong ying. One of my favorite variants of the 747 out of the two variants in this game. I forgot to deploy spoilers on the first plane, the freighter. And touchdown. That was sorta a good landing. And we crashed into the water. So just like in part 1, we'll be doing 5 aircrafts. So now we move on to the 757-200. Sort of the pencil plane, but I don't think the Dash 200 really is that much of a pencil plane. Good old Delta Airlines. Time to land. I swear 757 has gear tilt. I could be wrong. Let me know in the comments. This is also accurate because I think Delta Airlines lands here in St. Martin. Oh, this is a go around. We had to go around because we were about to overrun a lot of the runway in the air. Don't even know how you overrun in the air. Spoilers. And just like part 1, I forgot to do it with the other 2 planes, aka both 747 variants. Let's use flaps. Okay, this is our first good landing because this is where we land on the proper runway. And touchdown. Oof, a bounce. Okay, time for the next plane, which is the Dash 300. So this is where we're with the pencil plane. The Boeing pencil. The Dash 300. See? I knew it. 757 has gear tilt. Then why doesn't the Dash 200 have gear tilt? But why doesn't the Dash 200 the 757 has gear tilt? But the 300 does. Let me know in the comments down below why the Dash 300, which is the plane we're in, has gear tilt and the Dash 200 doesn't. Okay, we're now done on part 2 after we land the 757-300 WL or I. So, spoilers. Flaps down. And landing. A very bouncy ride. I just moved to the runway to pretend we landed on the runway So I hope you enjoyed part 2. I'll see you in part 3.